Welcome to Dan's Travel Tips, where we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating destinations around the world. Today, we're taking you to a place that often flies under the radar when it comes to travel in the Middle East, Kuwait. The state of Kuwait, nestled along the pristine shores of the Arabian Gulf, is a hidden gem in the heart of the Middle East. Its allure lies in its unique ability to seamlessly blend modernity with tradition, offering travelers an unforgettable experience that's unlike anywhere else in the world. But before we dive into this modern oasis, let's first paint a vivid picture of Kuwait's history and significance. Located in the northeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula, Kuwait is a relatively small yet profoundly influential nation. Its rich history and vibrant culture make it a captivating destination for travelers seeking a genuine taste of the Middle East. Kuwait's skyline is an astonishing testament to its rapid development. Iconic skyscrapers, cutting-edge architecture, and sleek cityscapes are the hallmark of this dynamic nation. Yet, beneath this modern facade lies a story that dates back centuries. Kuwait's history is a tapestry woven with threads of trade, pearl diving, and Bedouin culture. This land has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, from the ancient Babylonians and Greeks to the formidable Ottoman Empire. Its strategic location as a maritime crossroads has made it a melting pot of cultures and civilizations. Today, Kuwait continues to thrive as a bustling hub of commerce and culture. Stroll through its vibrant markets like the historic Souq Al Mubarakiya, and you'll witness a living testament to tradition amidst the modern world. The people of Kuwait take immense pride in their rich cultural heritage. You'll find a deep sense of hospitality ingrained in every aspect of their lives, from welcoming strangers with open arms to the centuries-old tradition of serving Arabic coffee, known as qahwa. A visit to Kuwait offers a unique glimpse into a world where the past and the present coexist harmoniously. Whether you're drawn to exploring its historical sites that whisper tales of bygone eras, or indulging in its vibrant cuisine that tantalizes the taste buds, Kuwait offers something truly special for every traveler. Kuwait stands at the crossroads of ancient traditions and modernity. Its cultural richness is a testament to the nation's history and the enduring spirit of its people. Kuwaiti culture is a vibrant tapestry of traditions that have evolved over centuries. From the exquisite craftsmanship of traditional clothing to the rhythmic melodies of local music, every aspect of Kuwait's culture tells a unique story. Hospitality is the cornerstone of Kuwaiti culture. When you visit, expect warm welcomes and a strong sense of community. Experiencing a traditional Arabic coffee ceremony known as qahwa is a heartwarming gesture of goodwill. As you explore Kuwait, you'll have the chance to engage with locals, learn about their customs, and savor the flavors of Kuwaiti cuisine. But we'll dive deeper into that in the upcoming section. Kuwait boasts an impressive array of attractions that cater to various interests. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or someone who simply loves to explore, Kuwait offers something for everyone. Our first stop is the iconic Kuwait Towers, a symbol of the nation's resilience and progress. These towering structures offer breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. Next, we'll take you to Souq Al Mubarakiya, a historical marketplace where the past meets the present. Here, you can immerse yourself in traditional Kuwaiti culture, shop for unique souvenirs, and savor local delicacies. The Grand Mosque, with its striking architecture and serene ambience, is a testament to Kuwait's commitment to preserving its Islamic heritage. It's a place of tranquility and reflection. Liberation Tower, soaring high above the city, is another architectural marvel. It's not just an impressive structure, but also a symbol of Kuwait's liberation in 1991. Al Shaheed Park, a lush oasis in the heart of Kuwait City, offers a tranquil escape from the urban hustle and bustle. It's a place where nature and culture harmoniously coexist. These are just a few of Kuwait's must-visit attractions, and there's so much more to explore. In the next section, we'll tantalize your taste buds with Kuwaiti cuisine, so stay with us as we continue our journey through this captivating modern oasis. Kuwaiti cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors and influences. From fragrant rice dishes like machboos, a Kuwaiti biryani, to hearty stews like haris and mouth-watering sweets like gers ogaily, the country's culinary offerings are a testament to its rich history and cultural diversity. While in Kuwait, don't miss the chance to dine at local restaurants and explore bustling street food markets. These culinary hotspots are where you can savor the essence of Kuwaiti culture one bite at a time. Planning a trip to Kuwait? Here are some valuable travel tips to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. First and foremost, check the visa requirements for your nationality. Kuwait has specific visa regulations, so ensure you have the necessary documents in order. When it comes to transportation, Kuwait offers a reliable and efficient network of buses and taxis. The country's compact size makes it easy to explore. Exploring Kuwait's markets and interacting with locals is a rewarding experience. Remember that hospitality is highly regarded here, and it's customary to accept invitations for tea or coffee. Respect local customs and traditions. When visiting mosques, dress modestly and remove your shoes before entering. It's a sign of respect for the culture. In terms of safety, Kuwait is considered one of the safest countries in the region. Nevertheless, it's always wise to stay updated on travel advisories and exercise standard precautions. Exploring Kuwait was a fascinating adventure. From the bustling markets of Souq Al Mubarakiya to the tranquil serenity of Al Shaheed Park, every moment was a testament to the unique blend of tradition and modernity that Kuwait offers. One of the highlights of our trip was connecting with the friendly and welcoming people of Kuwait. Their stories, traditions, and warm hospitality left a lasting impression on us. And of course, we couldn't resist indulging in Kuwaiti cuisine. The flavors, aromas, and textures of dishes like machboos and gers ogaily were a delightful journey for our taste buds. Kuwait is a captivating destination that seamlessly merges tradition and modernity. It's a place where you can witness the past come alive amidst the skyscrapers of the present. From iconic landmarks like the Kuwait Towers to the cultural richness of Souq Al Mubarakiya, from the serene beauty of the Grand Mosque to the lush tranquility of Al Shaheed Park, Kuwait offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to all interests. And let's not forget the culinary delights. Kuwaiti cuisine is a true treasure trove of flavors and aromas that will leave a lasting impression. Our journey through Kuwait was a revelation, and we hope this video has ignited your curiosity about this remarkable nation. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to Dan's Travel Tips for more exciting travel adventures. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Kuwait. We look forward to bringing you more incredible destinations from around the world. Until next time, happy travels.